Hello YouTube, I'm John Davis, and in this video I'm going to be doing the world's worst unboxing video. Now, I've never done an unboxing video, and I'm literally sat here now recording some of my YouTube videos for the week, and I've just heard the door go and it say something's just arrived that I ordered about 10 days ago from I think it must be shipped from the States. So it's just arrived now, and I thought, I've never done an unboxing video. I'm going to do one. The camera's on, the microphone's on, let's do this. So this is going to be the world's worst unboxing video, and what I'm going to be unboxing is something that all good affiliate marketers, digital marketers, bloggers, Shopify store owners, anyone that's creating content for people, especially where there's a sales aspect involved. So especially where you're running like affiliate pages or you're selling your own products, this should help you. Now, like I say, this is going to be the worst unboxing video ever because, for a start, it's not even in a box. So, should we ready for this? Have I built the tension, built the excitement? This could change your life. You ready? This is where I hope it is what I've ordered and not something more dubious. Let's rip it open. So, stickers, some free crap, and exactly what I was looking for, Jim Edwards, Copywriting Secrets. So this is a book I ordered the other day. The second I heard this was released, I ordered it because copywriting is something that I am definitely not strong on. So I kind of write in my own style. I write as me, really. But I don't often think enough about how to do that with any kind of strategy or flair or ways in that it can make a sale and persuade people. So copywriting is something I need to get better at, something that I need to learn in order to be a little bit more persuasive with my content. So yeah, so Jim Edwards has released this book. It kind of goes down the same kind of theme as Russell's books as well. So .com secrets, expert secrets. I know they've used quite a few of the other secrets range. I actually own a domain called Hustle Secrets. So if you're watching this, Russell, Hustle Secrets, I only want $3,000-4,000. So just send me the monies. But yeah, I'm sat on that domain because I kind of thought that'd be a good one to use for like one of my own products. And then realistically, I basically fell into that trap that I usually do of just buying domains. So is anyone else watching this who's a marketer or creates blogs or anything? How many domains have you got that you've bought because you like the sound of that name? I'm sat on about 8 or 9 at the moment that I've no use for. Maybe one day, but I've basically got to keep renewing them until that day. But yeah, I've got Hustle Secrets for the book that I'll be releasing in 3 years' time to tell you how I made my fortune and travelled the world. So 3 years. Yeah. So yeah, Copywriting Secrets, forward by Russell Brunson. And it basically says how everyone can use the power of words to get more clicks, sales, and profits, no matter what you sell or who you sell it to. So, sounds ideal. I won't go into it too much. It's very much like one of Russell's books, where you've got little figures. I do like that about Russell's books. I do like the fact that if you're a geek like me that basically fixes computers for a living, you can read his books and then you can look back at it and you understand his frameworks and his concepts and his strategies. You understand them because he draws it out as stickmen. You can't beat that. He's made stickmen part of my life again, something that I thought had gone when I left school. But yeah, how many pages have we got? I suppose I should describe it more, shouldn't I? As this is the world's worst unboxing video. We've got 305 pictures, 305 pages. I'm not going to count the pictures. You'll have to get it yourself and count them. 305 pages. It's about that big. Yeah, so I ordered this. I'll put a link in the description actually, because all joking aside, if you actually want to learn about copywriting, this isn't a review, because as you've just seen, I've only opened it up so far. So my review consists of, do I like the name of the book? Yeah. Do I like the hook? Yeah. Do I like Jim's work? Yeah, from what I've seen of him. So What does it say about Jim? Jim Edwards started his selling career very inauspiciously in the late 80s after graduating with a degree in history from the College of William and Mary. Do you know what? I'm not going to read that to you. No, I will. I'm going to tell you what, we're going to drag this video out, so stay tuned. In 3 seconds, I'm going to tell you all about the author, Jim Edwards. In his first 18 months out of school, he quit or got fired from 7 different jobs, including selling trunked radios, cell phones, insurance, weight loss, and grave plots. Random. It wasn't until Jim landed in the mortgage business that he discovered the power of selling people what they want and being in the right place at the right time with the right sales message. In 1997, Jim was one of the first people to sell an ebook online. This was when he got serious about learning the techniques of direct response copywriting. Because of his ebook sales, Jim appeared in the New York Times, Entrepreneur magazine, and countless other online and offline publications around the globe. In 1998, Jim also started writing The Net Reporter, a syndicated newspaper column that ran for 10 years. Jim has gone on to use his copywriting skills to sell millions of dollars of his products, services, coaching, and software online. His real passion is helping non-salespeople learn how to sell so they can share their message, products, and values with the world. Jim lives in a tiny town of Port Haywood, VA, where he enjoys raising his chickens, playing with his grandkids, taking his wife fishing, taking naps with his dog, and going for long runs with a headlamp on dark, deserted country roads early in the morning. So Jim sounds like he's got a pretty good life and a pretty illustrious career that he's built. So that was the world's worst unboxing, but don't let that bear in mind that I would probably pick this up if you run a blog, run a YouTube channel, you create content for people. And like he says himself there, this is how anyone can use words to get more clicks, sales and profits, no matter what you sell or who you sell it to. And I'll come back and do another video when I've actually read it, just to give you a bit more information. But yeah, bit of a random one. Wasn't on my schedule for these videos. Wasn't one that I'd planned, but I thought I'd do a little bit of an impromptu ramble about copywriting secrets by Jim Edwards. Available in all good... Oh, no, it's not. Available only through a certain link, which I'll put in the description below. You have to buy it direct from ClickFunnels. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description below. It will be an affiliate link. I may as well do that. So I'll put an affiliate link in there. And if you buy that book through that link, I probably get $1. But it's not just the $1 that I get. I will get the satisfaction that I've created some content that has given you some value. And I don't even know if you watch. Tell you what, if you're watching this bit, and you've watched this video this far of the world's worst unboxing challenge, then just go and buy the book. We could have saved ourselves a lot of pain here. We didn't need to go through this. So yeah, buy the book.